How much should you spend on a rotating car seat? Because honestly, I've seen parents drop over $600 and still struggle to get their kid in. Then others grab one under $150 and wonder why it feels flimsy. The truth is, price doesn't always match what you actually need, and today we're cutting through the noise. Product number 1, Safety First Grow and Go. First up, the Safety First Grow and Go All-in-One. This one caught my eye because it's one of the most popular convertible seats out there, and at just over $200, it sits right in that sweet spot between budget and premium. If you want a reliable, no-frills seat that grows with your kid from infancy to booster age, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It covers 3 stages: rear-facing up to 40 pounds, forward-facing up to 65, and booster mode up to 100. That means one seat for nearly a decade of use. The quick-fit harness lets you adjust the headrest and straps in one motion, no rethreading, which is a lifesaver when you're wrestling a wiggly toddler. Plus, the seat pad is washer and dryer safe, and the cup holders go straight in the dishwasher. Over 300 units sold last month alone, so plenty of parents are trusting this daily. Now, some people complained about the seat being a bit bulky in smaller cars. Here's the thing though, it's only 19.25 inches wide, so it actually fits 3 across in many sedans. But if you've got a tiny hatchback, you might feel the squeeze. Still, for most families, the space trade-off is worth the long-term value. This is perfect for you if you want one seat that truly lasts from newborn to big kid without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you drive a compact car and need maximum space efficiency. At $205, it's solid value for the features. Product number 2, Even Flow Tribute LX. Now, if the Safety First felt a little too roomy for your ride, the Even Flow Tribute LX takes a completely different approach, compact and budget-friendly. Priced under $130, this is one of the most affordable convertible seats on the market, and it's not just cheap, it's smartly designed. If you're tight on space or budget but still want safety you can trust, this one's a sleeper hit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At just 17 inches wide, it slips into smaller vehicles like a Dream, perfect for city driving or third-row seating. It supports rear-facing from 5 to 40 pounds and forward-facing up to 40 pounds with a 5-point harness. The upfront harness adjuster makes tightening the straps quick and accurate, which means fewer installation mistakes. Over 200 sold last month shows real parent confidence. Now, some people complained about limited forward-facing weight range, only up to 40 pounds. Here's the thing though, most kids hit that around age 4, so unless you've got a giant toddler, it'll last several years. But if you plan to keep your kid forward-facing past 40 pounds, you'll need to upgrade sooner. This is perfect for you if you drive a small car or need a backup seat for grandparents. Skip this one if you want extended forward-facing use or plan to use it as a booster later. At $128, it's unbeatable for the price. Product number 3, UPP A Baby Rove. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for families who prioritize tech-driven safety and ease. The UPP A Baby Rove costs over $640. Yes, it's steep, but it's packed with features that make daily use feel effortless. If you want premium comfort, intuitive installation, and peace of mind that goes beyond basics, this is the seat to beat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The QuickGuard 3-step install uses spring-loaded doors to lock the seatbelt tight, no ALR needed. Then the Smart Secure system gives you a red to green visual cue so you know it's secure. No guessing. The no-rethread harness adjusts with a 9-position headrest, and the 5-position recline grows with your child. At under 25 pounds, it's also surprisingly portable. Now, some people complained about the high price and that it doesn't rotate, despite being in a rotating category. Here's the thing though, UPP A Baby focuses on stability over swivel, and many parents prefer that for rear-facing safety. But if 360-degree rotation is non-negotiable for you, this isn't it. This is perfect for you if you want top-tier safety tech and don't mind paying for it. Skip this one if you absolutely need a rotating seat or are on a tight budget. At $642, it's a luxury buy, but one that delivers. Product number 4, Safety First Tri-Mate. Now, if the UPP a baby's lack of rotation bothered you, this next one brings slim design and long-term use together. The Safety First Tri-Mate All-in-One comes in under $155 and is built for families who need to fit 3 seats across. If you've got twins, a growing family, or just a compact SUV, this seat solves a real problem without costing a fortune. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At under 19 inches wide without cup holders, it's one of the slimmest full-featured convertibles out there. It goes from rear-facing 540 pounds to forward-facing 3065 pounds to booster 4100 pounds, so it covers birth to age 10. The 8-position headrest adjusts one-handed, and the harness system avoids rethreading. Now, some people complained about the base feeling a bit flimsy during installation. Here's the thing though, it still meets all federal safety standards including side impact. But if you're nervous about build quality, take extra time to secure it properly. It's not the sturdiest, but it's safe when installed right. This is perfect for you if you need to fit multiple seats or want long-term use on a budget. Skip this one if you prioritize premium materials or plan to move it between cars often. At $154, it's a smart middle ground choice. Product number 5, Maxi-Cosi Andy 360. Finally, if you've been waiting for a seat that actually rotates, the Maxi-Cosi Andy 360 delivers. At $668, it's the most expensive on this list, but it's also the only true 360-degree rotating convertible here. If you're tired of twisting your back to buckle your kid in, this seat turns the struggle into a smooth spin. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Flexi Spin technology lets you swivel the seat toward the door in any mode, rear-facing, forward-facing, or booster. That means no more awkward reaching or lifting. The tension fix indicator shows red or green so you know your belt is tight, solving a problem 7 out of 10 parents don't even realize they have. The Clip Quick magnetic chest clip makes buckling faster, and the Quick Fit headrest adjusts in 10 positions. Plus, the pure Cosi fabric is free of added fire retardants and made from recycled bottles, eco-friendly and comfy. Now, some people complained about the base being heavy and tricky to install alone. Here's the thing though, once it's in, you don't need to reinstall it for each mode, which saves time long-term. But if you're frequently switching cars, the weight might annoy you. This is perfect for you if you want the easiest possible entry-exit and don't mind paying for convenience. Skip this one if you're on a budget or don't need rotation. At $668, it's an investment, but for many, worth every penny. So which rotating car seat should you buy? The Safety First Grow & Go offers the best balance of price and longevity. The Evenflow Tribute LX wins for tight spaces and tight budgets. The UPP a Baby Rove delivers premium safety, just no rotation. The Safety First Tri-Mate fits 3 across without sacrificing growth stages. And the Maxi-Cosi Andy 360, that's the one if you want true 360-degree ease and don't mind the price. Pick based on your car, your kid, and your back. Because at the end of the day, the best seat is the one that actually works for your life.